Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a beautiful and comfortable and cozy crochet baby blankets designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the ideas, all the beautiful design and pattern ideas. So let's get started. Get ready to create a personalized, cutest gift for your special little ones. Hope so you like this all the beautiful collection and different ideas. So let's get started. To start, we will be using a yarn and a hook. Let's dive into a pattern which add a touch of handmade charm and elegance and different styles. Make sure to measurement your baby's blanket. Try adding some embellishments. For a customized look, try adding some embellishment like button, beads, pearls, stones, crochet work, flowers, different cartoon characters and many different shapes you use and decor your baby blankets easily. You make a very beautiful granny square with different pattern and attach with each other with the help of needle and the yarn and make a very beautiful granny square blanket for your baby little ones. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah really belong. Stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely crochet blanket is complete and ready to wear, ready to gift, ready to use. Hopefully you like this video and all the beautiful collection. If you want any questions, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. And if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as different websites like taras.pk, aliexpress, etsy.com, clicky and my official website Be Pattern. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and all the collection ideas. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you with step by step full detail. With if you want to see about crochet work, baby booties, full DIY tutorial, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch full DIY tutorial. I will upload it many different type of tutorial ideas, so do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas and different videos. Okay viewers, please be share your creativity with us on different social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hi.